Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to our a new update video. So friends, first we declare that confirms that this is a news article video and news reading video. We read news from different types of article. So this is not spread the controversy. This also a news reading channel. Okay, thank you. So friends, today's news that Pentagon flags China plan for PLA bases in Pakistan, Bangladesh near India's chicken snake. India is keeping an eye on China's push to establish People Liberation Army (PLA) bases in Pakistan and Bangladesh, according to the Pentagon's 2025 military power report. The U.S. Department of Defense assessment highlights Beijing's plan for overseas facilities beyond its DGI bounty outputs in South Asian neighbors like Bangladesh, Pakistan, and others on the list. The development threatens India's chicken snake, the narrow Siliguri corridor linking the northeast to the mainland, promoting urgent Indian Army development. New Delhi views this charge as part of China's string of Priel's strategy to dominate Indian Ocean routes. The report notes PLA interest in logistical oases for naval and air forces, rising fears of encirclement. Indian defense officials have responded swiftly, setting up 3 new garrisons near the India-Bangladesh border to safeguard this checkpoint. In November 2025, the Indian Army activated the Lachit Borphukan military station in Assam's Dobri district. Forward bases at Kishanganj in Bihar and Chopra in West Bengal now enhance surveillance along the border. A senior defense official emphasized their role, starting these garrisons are essential given the evolving security environment around the Siliguri corridor. The Trishakti crops guarding Sikkim and the corridor integrates Rafale jets from Hasimara, BrahMos missile and advanced air defenses. Recent exercises like Morbi Prachand Prahar near the LAC Arunachal underscore readiness. Coordination with the border security forces has intensified counter potential threats from the Bangladesh-China axis. China border infrastructure posts in Arunachal Pradesh adds to the strength, viewed as a core trilateral with Pakistan and Bangladesh excluded India, signaling deeper ties. Analysts see this as deliberate encirclement, blending military and diplomatic pressure. Pentagon exposes China, Pakistan, Bangladesh military ties. The Pentagon report submitted to Congress details PLA consideration for basing in Bangladesh and Pakistan separately due to Islamabad's deep defense links with Beijing. In November 2025, Pakistan Navy leased to Bangladesh's Chattogram port, the first since 1971, followed the high-level meetings on cooperation. Pakistan's ISI has long eyed on chicken snake, amplifying concerns. India has ramped up on northeastern military activity, including an IAF display in Assam, Doklam, and Chumbi Valley. Tensions linger from past standoffs with Chinese incursions, reported the Indian Army post from a robust eastern frontier shield against PLA advances. Beijing dismisses this as distortions. A Chinese foreign ministry spokesperson recently said our regional ties, including with India, rest and strategic cooperation and mutual respect, accusing the US twisting facts. Yet even logistical facts near the Bay of Bengal reset power dynamics. India's response includes naval expansions to secure maritime choke points like the Strait of Malacca. Border reinforcements ensure operational readiness amid this Chinese military build-up. A tension simmer. New Delhi recalibrates to project its strategic backwards. Okay, so friends, if you want to know more about this, then comment us on the comment box. Okay, so friends, thank you for watching our this article and this video till last. Thank you all of you for this so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. This is like I am Mr. Daily Updates Reader, Mr. Tapu from Odisha. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Thank you.